Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adventure SG. So let's do another word problem on fraction. Let's start with reading the question first. Lily had a total of 850 pink and blue marbles. So we know how many marbles she had at first. Then after selling 1 by 3 of the pink marbles and 100 blue marbles, she was left with equal number of pink and blue marbles. How many pink and blue marbles did she had at first? Okay, so what we have here is that Lily has 850 uh, pink and blue marbles. How many? 850. Okay, and then uh, out of those pink and blue marbles, she has sold 1 by 3 of the pink marbles and 100 blue marbles. So after selling 1 by 3 of the pink marbles and 100 blue marbles, she was left with equal number of pink and blue marbles. Okay, so that's important, that at the end she was having equal number of pink and blue marbles. Okay, so let's start drawing. At least we know of all her pink marbles she has sold 1 by 3 of it. That means she is left with 2 by 3 of it. So let's draw the model for the pink one first. So let's say she is having these many total number of pink marbles. Okay, and let's divide it into 3 equal parts, like because she has sold 1 by 3 of it. Okay, so let's divide it equally into 3 parts, so out of which she has sold 1 by 3 of it, right? So one part she has sold, so basically she will be left with these 2 parts, right? So if she has sold this one part, right, this one part if she has sold, she will be left with these 2 parts, right? So let's show it as a sold one. So she has sold 1 by 3 of it, okay, of her pink marbles. So let's label it, let's call it pink M to represent pink marbles. It's quite far. Okay, so let's write it a bit near. So it's pink marbles is this one. Okay, so she has sold 1 by 3 of it and she's left with 2 by 3, means she has sold 1 unit and she's left with another 2 units, right? Now another thing we have here is that after selling 100 blue marbles, right, the number of blue marbles left are equal to the number of pink marble left. Now how many pink marbles are left here? 2 units, right? 2 units. That means the number of blue marbles left will also be 2 units, right? Because the number of marbles, blue marbles and pink marbles left are same, and here we have pink marbles, there are 2 units of pink marbles left. That means the number of blue marbles left will also be 2 units. So let's show it here. So let's say this is my 2 units of blue marbles, okay, which is, you can see here, it's same as the leftover amount of pink marbles, same. So this is my left number of blue marbles, right? Now how many he had actually, right? He is left with 2 unit after selling 100 blue marbles, right? So let's extend the blue marble bar further to show that he has sold this 100, right, after selling, because he became 2 unit, the blue marbles become 2 unit, right, after 100 has been sold, right? So that means this much has been sold, this much has been sold for blue marbles, right? And all together everything, all the pink marbles and all the blue marbles all together is how much? It's 850, because written here Lily had a total of 850 pink and blue marbles. So all together it is 850 marbles, right? Now we know that everything is 850, right? So if we just take out 100, okay, 100 out from here, from 850, from the total, if we just subtract 100, right, what do we are left with? What we will be left with? we'll be left only with these units, right? If we take out 100, right, from the total, right, which is 850, we'll be left with only these 5 units, right? So let's do that. So we can say that 850 minus 100 will give us, yes, 750, and that will be equal to 1 2 3 4 5 units, right? So we can say that 5 units will be 750. That means 1 unit will be 750 divided by 5, right? So from here we can get how much will be 1 unit, right? So 1 unit will be 750 divided by 5 will give you 750 divided by 5 will give you 150, right? So 1 unit will be 150, right? Now since we have how much is 1 unit, now we should read the question. How many pink and blue marbles did she had at first? Okay, so obviously we know that how much she had altogether at first, which is 850, but now we have to know separately how many pink marbles she had and how many blue marbles she had. So we know from here, right, that pink marble she had is 3 units, right? So from here we can find how much will be 3 units. So it will be 3 times 150, that will give you 450. So that's your pink marbles. Okay, that's your pink marbles. And how about blue marbles? Can you see in the look at the model and try to think, right? So they will be, see clearly there are 2 units, right, because they are the left, 2 units are left at the end, right? And another 100, right? Another 100. So let's find first how much will be 2 units. It will be 2 times 150, that will give us 300, and then add back another 100 to it to get how many blue marbles were there at first. So it should be 300 plus another 100 will give us 400, right? So there were 400 blue marbles, right? So we can write our full answer quickly, right? So our question was how many pink and blue marble did she had at first. So we can say Lily had 450 pink marbles and 400 blue marbles when at first, right? So we must write that. Okay, so at first she had 450 pink marbles and 400 blue marbles. Okay, so that's the solution of this question. Hope you liked it. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.